Hey loves, it's me, Urban Air Gypsy. I just wanted to share with you this luxurious rice hair mask that helps with strengthening and rebuilding weakened hair. You're going to start with some rice and make sure the rice is clean and add it to some distilled water. And then you're going to cook it until it's super mushy. It's going to make it easier for blending. Add some aloe vera juice, some castor oil, some vegetable glycerin, and then some vitamin E oil. And then I also topped it off with eucalyptus essential oil, but you can add your favorite essential oil. And you're going to want to blend it until it's super smooth and creamy. Apply it to wet hair. And then you're going to leave it on for about 20 minutes. And I shampooed it out with my Dream Cream shampoo bar. And then I added only the Hustle and Grow leave-in conditioner. And this is day 2. So beautiful, so strong, and didn't even need any styling aids.